made a jumper. I tied it up. And Gable got a little wobbly head. This is Papa's thing.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel again. For today's video, guys, I will be doing a what am I gonna do? We'll be- Guys, kumusta kayo ngayon? So I'm getting ready right now, guys, kasi nga pupunta ako sa store to get some ano ba yun? Discounted chocolate on the store, so I can put it on my box so that I can send out my 2 boxes this month. So sige guys, tara mag-makeup. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng guys. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng lipstick kasi useless lang din. Guys, trash day ngayon. So, I'm going to help my husband take all the trash out. Here. All the trash. Ayan na mga trash, guys. Dalhin na natin sa labas. Look at my kids, guys. Busy hours.
It's 3 more minutes. I know.
Good morning.
Yeah, is it on or something else?
Sandra.
I began to alright.
What are you doing? What time you gotta go back to
10
school?
o'clock. It's not at 10.
What?
Hey, where's the pin?
What you got?
10.
Morning, Kuya. Kuya, good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Hey guys, welcome to our family. Sorry that I don't say, but I had work to do and I couldn't hear, so. Yes, I got on my meeting.
Okay.
Take a break and then just go do your classwork for the day, okay?
Okay.
Because
I missed it.
bye.
Split
Cassandra,
screen. Yeah.
we need to get you on. You're almost done, Cassandra. Where did you go? You're almost done with your math, but the other day when you were working on your reading, something must have happened because it shows that you haven't started your reading yet.
No, it won't let me press it.
So I want you to
We lost track. It's that time ni Cassandra. She's supposed to go back around 9:30. Oh my god. Messed up again. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna try to figure it out later. What she missed. So, tara, tapon natin basura, guys. Grabe. Puno earth na, guys. Oh, yeah. Yan. Trusty. Guys, sino yun, guys? Hindi pa siya tapos gumawa ng ano niya, project. Look, all the mess right here, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I already take out the diaper pail. So no more trash in the bathrooms. I already did it. Okay. Okay. Guys, as you can see, yan ang project ng asawa ko. Hindi pa yan siya tapos, guys. Yan ang project niya, guys. Before, it used to be just a broken fence right there. I wish I can show you the before. Maybe I can look pictures from before. But now this is the outcome of his project, guys. I'm really so proud of him. He really did a great job doing this fence by himself. And also that black wall, guys, he did that by himself. There you go. Yan, guys. Yan. And all the way in there. Say good morning. Say good morning. Hey. Here. Hey. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Hey. What's that face? What's that face? Oh no. What's that face? What is that face? What's that face? What that face? Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi, Pogi. Up. Hi, Pogi. Morning. Up. What do you want? You want breakfast? You want breakfast? Yes? Yes? Okay, let's get some breakfast. Bigyan mo natin ng pagkain. Batang. Woo! Ooh. Okay, let's go. Let's go watch TV and Mama will feed you. Let's go. Nagmamadali na siya, guys. Manonood kasi kami. Oh! You step on the iPad! What? Hindi siya nakikinig, guys. Hi! Guys, sorry naman sa mga bilbil natin dyan. Ang taba-taba ko na, guys. You're gonna fall! Muntik na siya mahulog, guys! Yay! Almost done! Guys, pauwi na kami. So, nag-stop ako sa dollar store to get some stuff for...
Is that it?
Yes. Some stuff for my balikbayan box so I can send it out this month for sure. That way it gets there by December. And
City now hiring.
oh really? And also I get some packaging tape, of course, for all my boxes for my you know, my boxes for my deliveries.
Sour. Some are sweet, some are sour.
Is it sweet?
Kinda. Not really. We have same.
Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, that's for him.
I know. I was just picking it up.
Konting tiis na lang, guys. Mapupuno na talaga siya. Mapupuno na talaga. Mapupuno na talaga. At, kukunin na dito. At, mapapadala na dyan sa Philippines for my family. Siyempre, guys, importante yan. Lalo na nandito tayo sa ibang bansa. It's very important that we can share our blessing. Siyempre, sa family natin. Sa Pilipinas, mga mahal natin sa buhay, di ba? So, syempre, hindi nila natitikman kung ano yung mga natitikman natin dito sa Amerika. Kaya, mas mabuti na yung ipatikim din natin sa kanila lahat kung ano yung mga natitikman natin, di ba? Like, for example, bunch of, like, mga chocolate, mga ganyan, mga imported one. Kasi nga, in the Philippines, it's very expensive. Mas mabuti na yung bigas na lang bibilhin natin kaysa naman mga tsokolate, ganun, di ba? That's why, every year talaga, guys, nagpapadala ako dyan sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko naman siya iniisa talaga pagbili, guys, kasi mabigat siya sa bulsa. What I do is, I buy little by little. Tapos, hanggang sa mapuno siya yung box, di ba? So,
Mom got me a jump rope. I tied it up. And Gable got a little wobbly head. This is Papa's thing, but different. You put it at the sun, you gotta see, and it moves by itself. And Ken got it.
what you got?
A figurine from Fortnite.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, let's see this in action. Bro, where's the sun? It's not gonna work.
It's working. Look.
Why does it even move?
You have to take it out, right? Or just decoration. I don't know what that.
You guys see the wobbly eyes are moving.
Yeah.
You guys see the timer's working.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Guys, I am making pancit canton right now, guys. Guys, we put the lock on our cabinets kasi nga, tigab, open, close na lang niya yung cabinets namin. Kaya, mas mabuti na meron ganun. So, yan. Stick mo lang yan dyan. Open na siya. Okay, hold on. Open na siya. Yan. Kasi meron siya ganito, guys. See that? Yan. I'm going to get pancit canton, guys. I'm having this pan. Maybe I'm going to mix it. Oh no, I'm having the spicy one. Ay. Yan. This is our, guys. Ano ba tawag dito, guys? Ano English nito eh? Yung bakalan ng pagkain. Hindi ko alam anong English. Ayan, this is what I'm having right now. Not yet.
Well, I mean, are they going to eat them while just sitting around?
Yeah. Is the burger? But Gabriel will not eat these for sure. Can have these later. Look, guys, he's gonna buckle himself, guys. Watch him.
Sit down.
No. He knows what he's doing, Ate.
Here we go, Gabriel.
Get Ate. There you go. What about the other one?
The other one is like,
Where's the other one?
I can't. Oh, here it is.
All right, give it to him.
He's left-handed.
Hold on. There you go. Try it again. No?
He's right. He's left-handed. You can do it.
Go, Gabriel.
Yeah. Put it in here, like this. And press it in.
What's wrong? That's wrong. You having a hard time? There you
He's
go.
left-handed.
He said, forget it. Oh, that's your thing. There you go. Of course, Gabriel get one too. Yeah,
You gotta put the white thing so it doesn't roll.
right?
Clean this.
You guys see the wobbly head? Look at the wobbly eyes. Oh, wobbly eyes.
There you go. Bye-bye, everyone. Say thank you guys for watching.
My channel.
Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel right now.
And click on the Hacker Family on YouTube. And there's a lot of videos of the Hacker Family. And today we're doing a vlog of showing the whole house. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell, guys, para updated ka sa bagong videos namin. Thank you guys so much. See you guys on our next vlog. Bye.